was like, maybe Keena.
But I was like, no, because I'm not really interested in McDonald's.
Me neither.
I wanted something a little more variety. Something that I knew they would eat me. And it's a lot of. Yesterday we had some monster burgers.
From Wendy, Hardee's?
It was huge, and Mariana ate half of it.
Gangnam Style.
And that baby, I know it had her stuff. Mariana's gonna be one of them bougie girls that ain't gonna want no dirt. If her shoes get dirty, she gonna be like, I don't want to wear these shoes no more.
She gonna be like, Tamar.
I need some new shoes because I got a scuff mark on my shoes line.
Cause you saw Tamar Benson, he was like, "What'd you do with your shoes?" She's like, "I left them in the hospital." I wore them shoes in the hospital. I'm not wearing them no more.
And you know what I did, and I ain't even. I'm a little bit like ashamed of it.
What did you do, Katia?
You know when we were.
Okay, but
when I was staying in Rock Island, and Tremere bought me a pair of Air Force Ones low tops. I don't like low top Air Force Ones, first of all.
I know.
He bought me a pair of low top Air Force Ones. I stepped in mud, and
they were white.
They were all white, and he saw me a couple days later. He's like,
"Are you talking about these?"
I was like, "I don't like those Air Force Ones." I gave them to Sharice because I stepped in some mud and they was all dirty.
You gave them to Sharice for real?
I did.
Like these
and then what did he say?
And she stuffed her big old foot in my shoe, knowing she couldn't fit it. He didn't say nothing. He said, "Oh, they were dirty." He said, "You stepped in mud." I was like,
"Well, that's fine then." Junie Boone.
Stop now.
Junior. Come on, mans. Come on, mans. Come on, Junior. Hey, man. What you doing, June?
Mariana, wait.
Hey, niece.
Come on.
Mari, I can't hold you guys both.
Come on, Mari.
I'll sit with you in the restaurant. Come on. Getting close, Katia. Hi guys, it's just recording. It's just recording.
We're gonna make a music video of these dreadheads. You and your mother.
These are not dreads, they're twists.
Twist
Look
heads.
at him, he wanna shake his hair now.
Yeah, he gonna be the next dreadhead.
Junior's gonna have dreads.
He's gonna be the next one, so he can shake his head. Look at him.
Shake it, man. Shake it, Junior. Shake it, man. Shake it.
When he takes his hair down, when I take his hair down, he got his hair all over his head. He be like,
He be wanting to shake it. It's probably not that bad.
I hope not.
Where's Katie? Okay, go. They are 1, 2, and 6.
You want drinks with the adult meals?
Yeah. Do $13.69 on one.
That was so not okay.
Okay, so
Look at the logo.
as we go and get our food, we're gonna take a shower.
Okay.
So first, y'all, I'm gonna wash my hands. So
I got some hand sanitizer.
okay.
Where is my bag? Grab my bag from the floor.
I don't know why I gave him these 2 spoons and not 2 when your hand is really
I need my bag off the floor.
Rub them together.
Rub it in, mans.
Rub it in.
No.
No, it goes on your
Did he
hand.
try to put it on his face? It smells good. What flavor is that? SpongeBob flavor.
Can I see? Let me see.
Okay, ready guys? You guys ready to go get some food? Come on, children. Come on, children. Hey, y'all must not be hungry.
No.
Let's go. Let's go. Get up.
Let's go get some food. Ugh.
Mariana, hold my hand. Hold my hand, niece.
Hold my hand. I got some. You get food over here.
Go ahead.
Oh, the food. Oh, well, that is.
Go on.
Yeah, that's
Sean.
what I thought.
You hold the plate, KK. Let me get her. I'll get her a plate. You hold your plate. I'm gonna hold your plate, okay, niece? Come on. I'll hold your plate. Come on. Don't touch. Look, Mariana, look at me. Don't touch nothing up here because it's hot, okay? This is hot. Do you want your hand to burn? Okay, so don't touch up here. Auntie will touch, okay? 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 Okay.
I took a bite of mushrooms.
Anything else you want, Mariana?
I took a bite of mushrooms.
You want something else? What do you want?
I took a bite of mushroom.
Okay.
And it needs to be cooked.
I don't see any other fruit up here, Mari. I think that's about it for the fruit, okay? You want to go to the table and eat? Okay, come on.
And I got to put it back in the shop to get the...
I'll get you some bread, Kayshawn.
How much you're done now? Yeah. So right now I'm driving the gold.
Is it good, niece? Is it good?
We gotta go count it.
Say your prayers, Mari. You gotta say your prayers first.
But yeah.
Say your prayers.
But yeah, that thing's just been in and out of the shop. But the
Kayshawn, say your prayers with Mariana.
wear and tear at this point, so it's got a great motor. So that's about it. Okay. Yeah, I made the mistake of sitting at the booth. The kids will never do that again. Actually, the seat for them to sit in, you can sit there. Right on top of it.
Gotta go get a drink. She said, sit right here, mama.
Well, no, I'm saying, you know how like
What's wrong?
little things like
Your head's still hurting, KK?
with like the slit
Yeah. You don't need that for the
that thing.
yeah. It's like a high chair for them. It's really nice. Yeah.
I wish I had brought some medicine with me, but I didn't know your head was gonna be hurting.
Really? I got it. Well, it's really nice to see you, but like I said, I had to take it. We'll take care. Are you still over there? Huh? You still 65?
I guess he did.
65. Yeah? You're 65. Here now. Here now.
They need to cook these mushrooms.
Well, they did have cooked ones over there. You know what? So we just chose to get the ones that you know, ever since I started driving, I started getting more into it.
Huh? I will get you some lemonade. I'll bring back some silverware.
Except for the driving, but now
Because he's gonna be a mess.
I am doing it all. The only thing is I cannot be at two places at one time. And that's now because they got soccer.
Okay, I'm gonna go get your drink, Kayshawn.
Right there. I have the yesterday.
I don't know.
What about the kids? You gotta be a
This girl done snatched your salad.
but anything work hard is in there. So where you gonna sit?
Is KK feeling all right? You feeling better, Kayshawn? Head still hurt? How's your salad? How's your salad, Mari? Was it good?
Mariana, what I just say? Yeah, see if KK wants some. KK, eat the salad. Baby is offering you some salad. Eat the salad, KK. Eat the salad. Take salad. It's okay.
Tomato. Red.
That's some bomb diggity bread, ain't it?
It's good.
At least it's not worse. At least it's not worse than the first one.
Junior want to feed you. In a couple of years, we're going to look back and
Mariana, you don't want that.
you want some water or juice? She said juice.
Oh, he just threw something. No. Take this one. No, wait.
Getting tired, Cotty?
You got this bread right here. Mariana,
There go Brad.
right there.
Cheese enchilada.
Made it. Oh, Ladybug. You wasted it. No, it's gone now.
Now we need another batch, huh? I will get it.
Pick her up and face her towards you. She'll be happy. Mark.
That is so rude. Look, he said, I'm going to get me some.
Y'all bogus.
I'm out teasing my baby.
You see the things that you be teaching Mariana K-Shine? You be teaching her the wrong thing, boy.
Everybody say the terms to nice things.
He put his foot down. I thought you said he was done, Katia.
Ladybug. No, he has one, Mar. Hey, Sean, where you going? No.
He finna try to get them started playing hide and seek.
No, stay over.
Mariana, come here. Come here. Junior, come on over here. Don't even think about it. Sit down. Sit your little tail down. Sit down on your butt. Mariana, no.
Okay, we finna go. And y'all gonna eat your ice cream in the car. If y'all keep on. You stay over here. We're not running no place else. This is not a playground.
Where's K-Shine?
Oh, God. Okay.
Mariana, go.
Thank you, good stuff. We gotta go.
Oh my God. No, Junior. Junior. Look at Auntie, man. Take a picture for Auntie, okay?